You and me will always be tight. Family every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. I love you more than anybody can. And every day as a man, I feel cool.
Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got a high ponytail with a wig and a bundle. So first thing I went in and did was I did the bald cap method, and I pretty much just put the got2b glue gel on my forehead, blow dried it, and cut the excess stocking cap off so I can have like a, I guess, a fresh base to apply the wig to. Today's video is going to be sponsored by Ali Julia Hair. They sent me 3 bundles of 26-inch hair, or 3 26-inch bundles, and I think an 18-inch bundle, so I'm going to be using one of their bundles for this ponytail today. And yeah, so after I laid down the stocking cap, I took my wig and I cut the lace off. This wig is from my hairline. I'll have the link in the description box. It's a 360, I guess, all lace, like a full lace unit, and yes, I'm just cutting the lace off, and I'm kind of just like measuring or seeing if the wig is snug enough, if it fits good, and if I cut enough lace off. And yeah, that's what I'm pretty much doing here. After I went in with some more gel and I put that on my forehead, and then I added the wig back onto it, and now I'm just going in and trying to create the baby hairs. I usually just use my spoolie brush and some got2b glue gel and swoop my life away with the spoolie brush and the baby hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I wanted, I guess, like a, not a dramatic baby hair look, but I did want the baby hair to be present. I know some people don't like baby hairs with their ponytails, but I do. So after I laid the hair down, or the baby hairs, I went in with a bandana and I just wrapped the front part of my hair, so when we put the hair in a ponytail, you know, the lace wouldn't move. So here I'm going in and I'm just brushing out the hair pretty much, and that's pretty much that. And I'm trying to get everything nice and tight. I wasn't going for a super sleek look. I wanted my ponytail to be kind of messy, but not like messy in a bad way, I guess you can say. But I didn't want it to be super sleek. That wasn't the look I was going for. But yeah. So here I'm going in with some got2b glue gel just to kind of like tame the flyaways a little bit. But yeah. So once I get the ponytail to my desired, I guess, look, I just take the pony and I braid it, and I secure the braid. Then I take the hair that I want to use and I'm just wrapping it around the ponytail, making sure that everything is looking nice and neat and it's wrapped around nice and tight. And yeah, so I'm just wrapping the bundle around the braid that we just made, and then I'm body pinning the weft down into the wig. And I just did this until there was no more track left to wrap around, and it's pretty simple, it's self-explanatory really. But yeah, and that's pretty much all I did. Pretty much how the ponytail should look. And the clip you're about to see is me at prom. I did this hairstyle again, but with my 40-inch bundle from my own hairline, not the hair that I was using in today's video. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I love you guys all so much. Bye. Mwah. Not be worried about him. I think he's just a man for you.